seen it, a couple of you guys, a few of you guys are struggling to add the test, right? When you go and add the test. If you are in this view, backlog view, I don't think you can, let me see if you can add the stories test from here. You cannot actually add the test here. You have to go to the add link and new item and do all kind of things. And you add like a test case. Select here, test case. It says the child, right? So what are you linking? Then you find the test case and link it up. But the easiest way, don't work through this view. You go to the board, okay? And when you hover in this area, you're gonna see 3 dots. 3 dots. So click there, and just it will pop up this menu and select the test. Okay? So that's the easier way. You can figure out there are several different paths to adding the test. Okay, let's stick to one so that you can create your test. So click on add test. Here you add your title, whatever title you have. Okay, that's the one. So let's say I added ABC, whatever title I have, right? And then you're gonna click on the link to actually add more details for the steps and everything. So these are your steps here, step section. Okay, this is the one that you can start typing in all the steps. You have expected result. Okay, so once you click there, you can scroll and see expected result. Okay, so you need to add those details.
So Harshal, if we go back to that, so the two views that Harshal showed you, the backlog view, it's typically when you are working it to identify your news stories or requirements. Right. It gives you what is my backlog of the product that I need to work on it. Now the one view that he's showing you, the board, is within the sprint now what I am working on it. And that's where, if you think about it, test cases are worked during the sprint along with the story. That's why it's much more easily accessible from the board view. So as a QA person, when you're doing it, your 3C and T, you will be focusing on a backlog to make sure all the stories is ready, that's good understanding. And then when you start planning and doing your test cases, you will work on a board view.
Whatever stories you are working in the sprint, that's what you can do.
Yeah. In this case, like creating a dealer with a valid data, and
yes.
then we can...
Yeah. That's correct. Right? So go ahead and create the test cases. Let's not get into the more details, how you assign, that there are ways to assign the stories to the iterations and all those things we will worry about in the future. For now, let's see if we can add the test cases and work through them. Does everybody have at least couple of test cases in there for the stories? Okay, work through. Okay, this is all we're gonna do today. Work through this, then I'll show you a few more things and we're gonna work through that. But I want at least 2 or 3 test cases in the system for you. 3 test cases. Let's put the number 3. Did you crash the server?